It's been a very long day for myself especially, but guess what? It's past 4 o'clock. The construction workers behind me, they're still making a bunch of noise, but they're doing it because they're happy. Because it's happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks stay rallied Wednesday afternoon with the S&P 500 hitting a record high as data shined an upbeat light on manufacturing in the New York region, as well as Bank of America reporting earnings and revenue that topped Wall Street expectations. Now, Wall Street continued its surge after the release of the Federal Reserve's Beige Book, which did find the economy to be expanding at a moderate pace. After a 131-point rise, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was more recently on the upside, but not as much. Clearing 2014 losses and hitting an intraday record of 1850.89, the S&P 500 still strong. And after hitting another 13-year high, the Nasdaq continued its climb. And for every stock on the decline, nearly 2 rows over at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon. And now let's take a look to see how the markets closed out this session. Over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil futures for February delivery gaining $1.58 to trade at $94.17 a barrel. Gold futures for February delivery losing $7.10 to be at $12.38.30 an ounce, and the U.S. dollar turning flat against its counterparts. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, Bank of America rising after the lender reported fourth quarter earnings and revenue that topped estimates. Tesla Motors climbed after CEO Elon Musk said the electric car maker expects to ship its first Model S vehicles to China in March. And Apple, that gained after China Mobile said advance orders for iPhones had hit 1 million and remained higher as the consumer technology company agreed to settle with the FTC over a loophole that wants let kids make in-app purchases without their parents' consent. So, there you have it. It's past 4 o'clock. Kick back, relax, have yourself a drink, make a little bit of noise because we only have 2 more days left this week. And until tomorrow morning from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinnick.